Hello everyone, this is Ramakrishna Kuntapalli. In the first video, we have created the database of our project, and in the second video, we have created the GUI of our project. And in the third video, we are connecting both our database and the GUI of our project by using FileZilla. So first, for that, we need to download PHP files, which we have given in our module section. So you can download all the PHP files from here. So after downloading the PHP files, we need to perform all these tasks which we have given in our variant. So my variant number is 3. So I need to perform tasks like display all the terms, uh, add student in a term, remove student in a term, remotely add one term, remote one term, display course software in a term, and display students in a term. So for that, I need to have all these codes, PHP codes which I have downloaded, and need to open all the codes in Microsoft Web Expression. So first we need to open the config file. Config file is nothing but config file in this server is a local host. So and in the database which is s underscore arguntapalli, this should definitely match with our database which we have given uh, in our database, created in our database. So definitely that username and database name should definitely match with this. So after that, uh, username is also same as your database name, and the password is the randomly generated in by creating the PHP myadmin. So this is the config file. So we need to save it as PHP file. So after that, default HTML file. In default HTML, this is a randomly default file which is generated by creating this database in our second video. In the second video, I have shown you how to create this. And the third code is add student in a term. So for that, we need to open the term table. In our term table, we have student name, student ID, course number, term name, and year. So by giving all these inputs, student can add in a particular term. So we have you observe carefully here. We have given student name, student ID, everything in a small letters. So for that, definitely you should also give all those names in small letters only. Keep in mind that we need to give all these names in small letters only. Course ID, student name, student ID, course number, term name, and year. So that one record will be added, and I will show you in by using FileZilla. So that add student term is completed, and display courses offered in a term. So for that, we need to open uh, the term table again. So we need to display which are the courses offered in that particular term. So that we need to have course ID, course number, term name, and year. So here also definitely you should give only the small names which have given exactly here only here. So for this is the title name. Title name should be as you wish, like capital letters or small letters. But here in a while loop, definitely you should have the names which you have given in your database only. So for that, we need to have course ID, course number, term name, and year. And in display student in a term table. So for that, same as it is, we need to open term table, and we need to display the student name, student ID, course ID, term name, and year, so that a student can be displayed. So exactly like same way, we need to edit all these student display term, display all the terms, and remove student in a term. So now I will show you how to perform all these tasks by using FileZilla. So first, for that, we need to download FileZilla from Google Chrome. I have already downloaded here. So open that. It will show you like this. So we need to connect to Playground server. So for that, we need to enter sftp : double slash playground dot bradley dot edu, and the username is your Bradley username. Password is your Bradley password. And then click connect. Here you can see connecting to playground.bradley.edu. So here click on OK. So you can see that connection successful. So here you can see your database name Arguntupalli. I mean, sorry, the username Bradley username Arguntupalli. Click on that. So first we need to add directory to that username. So right click on the plus symbol. So you can create directory here. Create directory. We need to give name like public underscore HTML, and then click on OK. Oh, I have already created public underscore HTML. So if you need to create the directory, right click on the username and create directory, and type public underscore HTML. In this public underscore HTML, you need to again create one more directory, which is demo. So I have already created demo here. So for that, for that also you need to right click on that and create directory and enter demo here, and then click on OK. So by clicking on demo, you can see all the PHP code files which you have edited in the Microsoft Web Expression. So select all those files and then refresh. Definitely you should refresh all the files here, and then drag and drop all this file to the right side. You can see all the files have transferred to the demo. You can see that this is a local site and the remote site. Like this is a client and this is a server. It acts like that. So our files have transferred. So after transferring the files, you need to just wait a second. So after that, after transferring all our files, open Google Chrome and then enter playground.bradley.edu/negotiation, your username Arguntupalli, and then click on enter. I'm sorry. And then click enter. So here you can see demo which we have given the directory in the public underscore HTML. So click on demo. This is our GUI which have created in our second database in our second video. So that by giving all these inputs, we can see that student will be added in our database. So now I will show you student name, some Kumar, student ID 15. I'm just randomly giving course CIS, course number 444, term name spring, and year 2024. So after giving all these inputs, click on submit. You can see that one record is added. So open your database and refresh the term table. So here you can see that Kumar is added. Okay. And now I will show how to remove also. So we have given student ID, right? So but by clicking student ID, definitely we can remove that Kumar from a particular term. So give the student ID. and click on submit. You can see here that one record is removed. One record is removed. So here by refreshing the term table, you can see that Kumar is removed. So we have performed two tasks in which we have given in our variant. So the third task is display all the terms. So these are the terms which we are given in our database. So by clicking on submit, you can see these are all the terms in our database. So on the next task is students enrolled in a term. So students enrolled in a term. So open the term table. For suppose Roman is entered in spring 2023. So I need to enter spring so that Roman will come there. So term name is spring. Submit. You can see Roman is enrolled in 2023 and Ambrose is enrolled in 2024. Both are enrolled for a spring, but here is different. So here you can here we have performed students enrolled in a particular term and display courses offered in this particular term. So what are the terms? What are the terms we have in our database? Spring, May 1, Spring 2023, May 1, 2023, like so. Just enter randomly some summer one, and then click on submit. Uh, so click on fall, and then click on submit. You can see all the courses which have offered in the fall 2023 and 2024. So this is how we have integrated our database and our GUI by using FileZilla. So this is how we can perform all these tasks. Thank you, Dr. Roscoe, for giving this opportunity. Thank you, everyone.